I will be showing you 3 simple habits that you can incorporate daily to keep your legs strong and active. Yes, they all can be done in the comfort of just sitting down in your chair. These tips will be beneficial for everyone, whether you are an older adult or even someone with a medical condition. The 3 habits that I will share are focused on specific areas: your knees, your ankles, and your whole legs. Be sure to practice them all if you are able to for best results. Let's get started. The first habit is knee focused. We are targeting the quadriceps muscles. These are the muscles at the front of your thighs. These are important for standing, walking, and protecting your knee joints. Start off with your knee extension isometrics. You just want to sit upright with your back supported and feet flat on the floor. Extend one leg out as much as you can, keeping the movement controlled. Hold this position for about 5 to 10 seconds and lower down your leg. Repeat this for 8 to 12 times for each of the legs. The beauty of this is that you can break down these exercises into 5 sets throughout the day. You don't need to do all the sets at once, just fit them into your schedule as your time permits. For the second part, for the knee, you want to focus on the knee range of motion. You can just gently bend your knee as far as you can and straighten it out as fully as you can. Repeat this for about 10 to 20 times per leg and aim to do 3 to 5 sets to reduce stiffness and improve mobility over time. A bonus tip is that not only that these exercises are simple, they also help you to reduce pain, improve flexibility, and support better blood flow around your knee. You can do them anytime and anywhere when you're sitting down, whether you're watching TV or just chatting with your family. Our second habit focuses on your ankles and calves. Ankle strength and flexibility are crucial for balance and walking, and these movements are so simple that you can do in sitting at your desk or even while waiting for a meal. Start it off with your ankle isometric holds. Lift up your toes towards the ceiling and hold for about 5 to 10 seconds. And then you press your toes down like stepping on a pedal and hold it again for 5 to 10 seconds. Repeat this for about 8 to 12 times for both feet and do it about 5 sets in a day. Now moving on to the range of motion, you can do these ankle pumps. Lift up your toes towards the ceiling and press your toes down in a smooth and continuous motion. Repeat this pumping action for 15 to 20 times for each of the foot. A bonus tip is that these exercises are not only great for strengthening, they can also help for your blood circulation, especially if your blood pressure is low at sometimes. And do remember that you can do this anytime, whether you're sitting in a dining table or relaxing in your favorite chair. The third habit is a practical movement that you can easily integrate into your daily routine. This is just standing up from a chair without using your hands. Every time you get up from the chair throughout the day, practice without pushing off your hands. This habit not only strengthens your leg but also improves your coordination and balance. If you feel like turning it into a more focused exercise, then you can do this by doing 8 to 12 repetitions and 5 sets daily. Some bonus tips is that you have to lean forward, bringing your trunk over your knees to shift your weight forward, and this will actually help you to lift off your butt and make the movement a bit more easier for you. So there you have it. These 3 tips can be done anytime in the day when you're sitting down. They are simple and effective, requiring no special equipment. Start small, stay consistent, even just for a few minutes a day, which can make a huge difference in keeping your legs healthy and strong. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who might benefit. Don't forget to subscribe for more simple and practical tips to stay strong and active. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.